Greetings. Today we are going to present about our group project, which is the image watermarking using Matlab, when presented by Group 4, Amri, Izzat, and Fahim. So we start off with the table of contents, which includes introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusions, and appendix. So next we go to the introduction. In this introduction, we have a few objectives to be achieved by the end of our project, which are we identify the limitations of existing watermarking techniques, we present the current trends of image watermarking techniques, we investigate the techniques that meet some of the requirements of image watermarking techniques perfectly, and last one, we point out the challenges that must be addressed by future researchers. So next, we go to the methodology of completing this project. So we are using the watermarking, which is one of the two types, visible watermarking and invisible watermarking. So the visible watermarking it refers to the information visible on the data. Visible watermarks are typically logos or tags, while the invisible watermarking, it is not visible or perceivable, but it can be detected by different means. It may also be a form or type of steganography and is used for widespread use, and also it can be retrieved easily.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzat. I'm from Group 4 and today I'm going to present about the result part. Okay, for result part, we have to show the simulation for the image, for the project. Okay, so the first is, this is the code for prom the car image. Okay, so this is the code and we set it to the figure 1, which is the title is car image. Okay, so this is the figure 1. This is the figure 1, which is the car image figure. Okay, so next is we have to program the watermark image. So this is the code. Okay, the file name for watermark is watermark1.jpg. Okay, we program it and we put it figure with title watermark image, and if we run that, we get like this. This is the watermark image. Okay, so we are going to use that watermark image to do the digital watermarking at the car image. Okay, so this is the alpha, which is the visibility of the watermark. Okay, we choose 0.6, and then this is the code that will make the digital watermarking. Okay, so we name that figure with title result, and then if we run that, we get this. Okay, so this is the last result for the digital watermarking. We can see here, this is car image and this is the watermark image. So that's all for the result part. We move to the discussion part. Okay, for discussion, the first thing is the method we choose is visible method. Okay, which is we can see the watermark on the car image. The next step is we have to do the programming to prom the first image, which is the car image. Okay, next is we have to do programming to prom the second image, which is the watermark image. Okay, so after that we have to program the size, which is the alpha, the visibility of the result image, for make that watermark appear on the car image. Okay, so that's the step to finish the project. Okay, the tips or the precaution step that we must put in mind is we must make sure that the size of the watermark image and car image are same, because if not, it will cause error, which is array compatibility error. And the last tips or precaution is we must make sure both image are in the same folder to make sure we can call it for Matlab. Okay, so that's the end for the result part and the discussion part. We will move to the next other group member and next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Amin Amri bin Azrai. My matrix number is CE200186. Now I would like to present about the conclusion our group project. For the conclusion, the watermark image are very important technique. Give a copyright property to company or personnel. The watermark image has many applications such as broadcast, monitoring, owner identification, proof of ownership, transaction tracking, content authentication, copy control, device control, and file reconstruction. Practically, by using watermark, give the good benefit us in order to make sure secure data, an alternative solution for ensuring template resistance, the ownership of the intellectual property, and reinforcing the security of multimedia document. So, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.